1 mole mixture of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide required exactly 28 gram KOH for complete conversion of carbon dioxide to potassium carbonate. How much more KOH would it require for the conversion of potassium carbonate if CO in the mixture is also completely oxidized to CO2? See, you have 1 mole mixture of CO and CO2. And that requires 28 gram KOH for complete conversion of CO2. Now, remaining CO. So, out of the mixture CO, CO2 is removed. Now, remaining CO. Now, to remove that CO when converted to CO2, how much more KOH is required? That is the question. This is the basic equation. 2 mole KOH react with 1 mole carbon dioxide. And number of moles of KOH used up first 28 gram, that is 0.5 mole. So KOH first used up in the mixture, it is 0.5 mole. Therefore CO2 in that mixture, initial mixture we had CO plus CO2. CO plus CO2, total 1 mole. And to neutralize this, to react this, to absorb this, you need 0.5 mole KOH. Therefore, CO2 will be, you see, 2 mole, 1 mole. The ratio is 1 with half. 2 with 1, 1 with half. So this is the number of moles of KOH. Therefore, number of moles of CO2 will be half of that 0.025. Sorry, half of 0.25. So number of moles of carbon dioxide will be 0.25. If this is 0.25, this is 0.75 because total is 1 mole. This is 0.25. So this will be 0.75. So number of moles of carbon monoxide will be 0.75. And now this 0.75 carbon monoxide is converted to carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide formed will be, the new carbon dioxide formed, this is converted to this. This is converted to this. So you are getting new carbon dioxide, that is 0.75 mole. And for neutralize that, how much KOH you need? You need 2 times. The KOH required is 2 times of this. So carbon dioxide newly formed 0.75. Therefore, KOH newly required, it is 0.75 into 2. That is 1.5 mole KOH required. Question is how much mass? So it is 1.5 into 56. That is 84 gram is further required. So initially we had 1 mole mixture of CO2. To remove that CO2, the quantity of KOH required is 0.05 mole. That means CO2 will be half of that, 0.25 mole. So CO2 is 0.25, therefore CO is 0.75 because total is 1 mole. Now this 0.75 CO converted to CO2. How much you get? 0.75 CO2 you get. 1 mole give 1 mole. Now that 0.75 CO2, how much KOH you need? 2 times. 0.75 into 2. 1.5 mole KOH is required. How much mass? 1.5 mole into molar mass of KOH. I think it is clear.